So I see a lot of people are interested in the last video I made about 9 jobs that Africans can do, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 6 global companies that are hiring Africans for night shift customer support roles that'll pay you in US dollars. So if you're interested, let's get to the first company. So the first company is Teleperformance. This is one of the world's largest business process outsourcing companies with operations across Africa. Their global infrastructures allow seamless 24 hours support across time zones and multilingual capabilities covering 117 languages and dialects. They run a 24/7 operation with various shifts and are entry-level friendly with lots of openings, paying around $14 to $20 per hour. And as you can see from their platform, they have different languages. That is, they need people that can speak a lot of languages for customer related jobs, and they will pair you to different types of companies for this particular job. So as you can see, they have like about 45 pages that you can be clicking to find jobs that are in your location. So you can just be checking them out to find jobs. Sometimes you may find jobs from South Africa, from Egypt, and all those places, and you can just be checking them. This one is Swahili for people that are Swahili speakers, so you can check. They have a lot of pages here. You can go through one by one to see. And if you're an Indian person, this one is for Indians, it's for Hindi speakers, so you can check them out and learn more about the job by clicking on the job. So you can learn more about the job, what's expected, and everything you need to know. You have to make sure you are fluent in any language that you can see here. So if you are a Hindi speaker, you have to be fluent, and of course sometimes expect you to also know how to speak English language. So if you're interested, you might want to check out the company and get started once you have seen the one that will fit what you're looking for. So the second one is TTEC. This is formerly known as Teletech. It's a major US-based customer experience company with remote roles available to workers in Africa. TTEC has over 9 positions with shift differentials, which include night shifts. They hire remote customer service representatives across healthcare, financial services, and retail programs, and equipment is commonly provided for employees' roles. What this means is that even if you don't have the equipment to work with, they can actually provide you with such an equipment, especially things like laptop and all those stuff. So as you can see, they have a lot of jobs as well. You can view more here. So as at the time of making this video, for people in South Africa, this is Cape Town. These ones are night jobs, as you can see here, for people in South Africa. So you can check for your country here. For people in Egypt, you can check. And then if you're in India, they have 6 positions that are open for people in India. Then you can check it out, as you can see here. So you just check for your country and you can make the filter of other positions from here to get other jobs that are available to you. So you might want to check out this platform. The third company is called Concentrix. This is a global customer experience giant that actively hires remote support agents. This company is a global leader when it comes to customer experience solutions, offering remote customer service positions across sectors like technology, healthcare, and even e-commerce. For many roles, equipment is shipped directly to the employer as part of the onboarding process. What this means is that they will give you what you need to use to get started as part of your onboarding process while you're coming on board to work with them on the platform. They have some open roles here, but most of these roles are tech related roles. And for people in Africa, this one is for Morocco, this one is for Morocco again. Some of these jobs for people from different countries are usually language based, so they have up to like 10 pages that you can keep refreshing to look for the one that is available in your region or the one you can apply to. So once you have seen anyone, you can go ahead to make the application. So if you're interested, the name of the company is Concentrix. You might want to check it out. The fourth one we'll talk about is Automatic. This is another company that is very known for remote work. Like, they are the ones also that is behind WordPress, and they are known for hiring globally, including across Africa. They hire happiness engineers for customer support, and they provide generous home service stipend. They will pay you for your desk, chair, and even a monthly co-working allowance. So their salaries are usually competitive, and they're going to pay you in US dollars. So as you can see here, this is the hiring process they take, which is your application, the interview, the trial, the final interview before the offer. So this is quite serious. You have to know what you're doing before you work for them, because during the trial stage, you are not really fully employed. So for the purpose of this video, we're looking at these happiness engineers, which is the customer support role that they're looking for. So these jobs are open right now at the time of making this video, so you can check for others too and see if you're qualified to work for them. So if you're interested, you can click on it to learn more about it, to be able to get started working with them on the platform. And of course, you don't need to bother about being present in the place. So the last one I want to talk about is Fondever. This is formerly known as Citel Group. This company is a major global business outsourcing company, and they regularly hire remote agents in Africa for US and European clients. They serve companies of various sizes and excel with organizations needing both customer-facing support and back-office operations, with particular strength in technical support for SaaS companies, and equipment is frequently included depending on the client's program. So that's basically how this one works. So from their website, you can see the jobs they have here. Most of them are remote and they're in the US, but they have 1 out of 6. And what it means is that for them to outsource to companies in Africa, they must have a specific reason, especially when it comes to language, because language is something that will always bring them to these places. So if you're interested, you might want to check them out and see if they have such jobs that will allow you to be outsourced to some of these clients. And if they have clients in Africa, they will not have any choice but to, recruit Africans to be able to work for them remotely in these positions. So if you're interested, you might want to check out all these platforms. And if you found value so far, please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're looking to make job applications soon, I have prepared a 12-month job application bundle that can help you from the process of applying to jobs to the process of preparing for interviews, all done for you. I have a lot of positive reviews from people. You might want to check it out and grab your own with the link in the description of this video. And if you're looking for other jobs, do well to check out these videos showing on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.